Okay, so are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to go through the structure of the exam. Okay, so as you can see, it's you have four compulsory questions, right? And you will have an insert as well, like the one that we did in the previous class. So what you have to do is make sure to read the insert carefully, and the insert will present claims, arguments, and evidence. So do you have any questions so far?
No.
Okay, so um, the exam paper will be broken down into four questions, right? And question 1 will be 12 marks, question 2 14, question 3 20, and question 4 24. So as you can see, all of these have different total marks, right? And so therefore the way that you should answer these should be different. Okay, so they have different format of answering. Okay, you should allow yourself 1 minute per mark for each question, right? So what does that mean? For question 1, how many minutes should you allocate to question 1?
12.
12, right? And then for question 4,
24.
24. Yeah, very good. Okay, so when preparing for the exam, question 4 will have compulsory questions based on the source material, right? So the source material is the one that I mentioned. It has claims, arguments, and evidence, right? From different perspectives on the global issues that we are going through currently. So you know the global issues that what sort of global issues have we went through?
Uh, the right to education.
Yeah. Okay. So basically like education for all, and then I yeah. Okay, so you see the 8 different topics that the exam will cover. It'll be you see education for all is one of them, right? And then there's demographic change, employment, fuel and energy, globalization, law and criminality, migration, and transport systems. Okay, so before the start, I mean, sorry, at the start of the exam, you should skim read the insert, okay, and questions. So this will allow you to slowly digest the what they are expecting of you or what they are looking for whilst you are still answering the questions, right? So for example, if you skim read and then you answer question 1, you will also be in the background you will also be trying to answer question 4. Okay, so this will allow you like more time to help you process everything that they are looking for. Okay.
So read the
Everything, all the
question,
questions.
read the sources questions, and then try to answer question 4.
No, no, no. So skim read the question and the insert before attempting um, any of the questions, so that you in the background you will be subconsciously trying to process and understand all the questions and the information that has been given to you, right? So this will allow you more time to like process it. Do you understand?
Okay.
Okay, so question 1, this will be sub questions, and it will require you to respond to the source material. The source material is basically what they give you in the insert. Okay, so it includes short answers and more extended responses. Okay, so it could be based on statistical information. You can be asked to, for example, describe patterns and trends shown in the information. Okay, you will also have to identify causes and consequences. You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so um okay, question 1, right? uh if you can look at the slide, yeah, at the side, the first slide, can you go to page 6? Do you see it?
Page 6
Yeah.
on the slides.
Yeah, so the sixth slide. Do you see it?
Okay.
It says questions
Yeah.
1.
Yeah.
Okay, identify the trend in the number of Snapchat users between 2014 to 2016. So you can full screen, put this to full screen and try to answer it. Yeah, so since this is 1 mark, try to use how long to answer it.
What? Oh, 1 minute.
Yeah, okay, so 1 minute, try to answer it, and then let me know what you see.
The trend increases.
Okay, what else?
Um, 2014. What's that? QOQ growth?
Sorry, which one are you looking at?
QOQ growth is like not uniform, not increasing or like decreasing.
Okay. Mm, which one is not increasing or decreasing?
The QOQ growth doesn't have a specific trend.
Oh, okay, yeah. So it's varying, okay?
That's it.
All right, okay. How about the next one? So B.
2 causes.
Yeah.
This seems.
So you see the difference between question. Okay, so all these are just example questions. We can go through them later, but basically this is to show you the type of questions, right? The type of questions that you will get. So this is under question 1. You see A, B, C, and D, right? All of these are the type of questions that you will get under question 1. So you see A, B, C, and D, right? You just click next on the slides.
Question 2.
Questions 1A to D. You see the different types of questions you will get? Yeah? Okay, so these are the types of questions you will get in your exam when it comes to question 1. Okay? Alright, then going to okay, if you scroll down, you can look at the you can look at more examples when it comes to question 1. Yeah, so you look at the slides and then you just click through it. These are the different types of questions, more questions that you'll get in question 1. Okay, and you can see in page 8, slide 8, the examiner feedback. Okay, examiner feedback is very important for you to look through, because then you will start to understand what they expect from you, and therefore be able to know what to answer when it comes to all these questions, right? Because examiner feedback is just taking a look at like what the examiner is looking for, the examiner's feedback and stuff like that. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So if you look at the second, the slide next to question 1, right, and you go to slide 9, you can look at the perspectives, right? The second part of question 1 will ask you to explain global, national, or local perspectives or consequence, right? So just um do you understand the difference between global, national, and local perspectives?
It's just the scale.
Yeah, the scale. Very good. Okay, so you have to remember to make sure to look at the different perspectives and then answer accordingly. Okay,
Okay.
and then if you look at question D, 1D, you can look at the examiner feedback as well. Okay.
The blue one, right?
Um, no, the examiner feedback is in the next slide. So the examiner feedback for slide 10 is in slide 11.
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay, so when we talk about cause and consequence, right, causes and consequence, just now I mentioned that you may be asked for causes and consequence, right? And one of the examples is in question 1D. Okay, other causes and consequence questions can be found in the list as well. Under question 1, you can see access of education for girls, influence of technology in the classroom. We'll go through this in more detail later on in class. All right, so what I want you to do is try to understand what we have gone through first, right? In up till question 1, look through the slides and everything. If you have any questions, just let me know. Okay.
Okay.